I'm Ellie. I'm a college student. I just vlog my life as like an artist, a business owner, and just a student trying to do everything. I hope you enjoy. Stick around, subscribe. Let's get to the vlog. Hey Pookies! February 3rd, I'm going to go get some gas real quick, but then we're going to the store to get some groceries because tonight I'm going to be making kimbap, and then tomorrow with the day leftover rice, I'm going to make fried rice because I wanted to cook more and I just don't have a lot of the ingredients, but now we're finally going to get them. I was going to wait and just chill at home, but the internet is like out for some reason, so I was like, let's just go. So I do need to go get gas first, so let's do that. Okay, I got gas and now we're at one of the grocery stores I'm going to be looking at for stuff, so let's go inside to look for the ingredients now. Little shopping vlog. Okay, we have finally gotten all the groceries and the gas. I had to go to a separate grocery store for two other ingredients, the rice and the soy sauce, because they were super overpriced at the other one. So we got that everything, and then I low-key got a little bit shy vlogging in public at the smaller grocery store because they were like right there in the aisles. So I only got the little clip of me holding the basket, but I'll show you guys all the ingredients before we do this, so. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned, but we're making kimbap for the recipe that my Korean professor gave me. So, 𝒻𝓇𝒾𝑒𝓃 recipe is what we're following. So first I have to wash the rice and then cook it and get started cooking. So let's do that. Okay, hey Pookies! I just finished cooking my first, it's not my first time making it, but it's the first time that I made it together and cooked all the ingredients myself, because the first time I made it with my 𝒻𝓇𝒾𝑒𝓃 as a class, she already had all the ingredients prepared and stuff, so this is the first time that I made everything all myself, and a little soda here. This low-key took a long time, but it was so rewarding because I was like, look at me, I'm like literally cooking, because I've never been good at cooking and always been too busy or unmotivated to try cooking. Also because of the financial possible like risk of being like, oh, I actually didn't like this and now I have all this ingredient left over. And that, as a poor college student who doesn't have a whole bunch of money to spare, was kind of, and still is kind of a scary thing for me. But let's try it and see if it's good. I'm gonna pick one of the ones for the middle because these ones over here are nice, but these ones in the beginning and the end got a little crazy, so let's just try this one. I definitely think it was hard and I made a few mistakes. Like I think the rice had too much water in it, but let's just try it. Okay, yeah, it definitely it tasted good. Like low-key tasted better than I thought, which is really encouraging, but the rice definitely is has too much water in it. It's very sticky, which is good, but like a little too moist. And also one of the ingredients I think is not super seasoned. It might be the imitation crab, I'm thinking, but maybe I'll have to take another bite and see. But low-key, way better than I thought it would be. Like I was kind of scared when I put it into my mouth. I was like, I hope this isn't the worst thing ever and I hope it doesn't taste bad, but it tastes good low-key. It's definitely not as like good as my 𝒻𝓇𝒾𝑒𝑒 memes. I'm just, okay, hold on. I need to stop talking down on myself because obviously hers will be better because she's been doing it for years and years and years and years, and I'm just, this is my second time making it, like assembling it, first time ever making all the ingredients, and low-key I'm not a cook, like I'm not good at cooking. So for all those things considered, this is really good. I'm gonna eat another one and see if I can figure out what is not as seasoned as the other ingredients. Okay, I think that the rice could be seasoned a little bit more probably. I probably didn't add enough sesame oil or 𝒽𝓃𝒾𝑒, but I'll probably have to season the rice more next time. But still, genuinely so proud of myself. So, yay! Another one. This is my dinner, and it took so long to make it. I'm starving, so yeah, I'm gonna eat all of it. Yeah. Okay, hey, I finished eating and I've been doing editing and I just turned in an assignment that was low-key late, but we don't talk about it. But now that I'm done with the kimbap, it was actually really good and really filling. That's like the most scrumptious and satisfied I felt from dinner in like a hot second, low-key. They've been really busy, so yay for eating full meals. But now I have the mess of all the dishes that I have left from cooking a bunch that I do need to go tackle now, which is so annoying. That's the worst part of cooking, and I don't got someone to go clean them for me. So I've been trying to just finish editing, not this vlog, but the vlog I'm about to post instead, but the dishes keep nagging at me, so let's just go do them and knock them out right now. That is the secret to cleaning and not having things pile up, is just do it and clean as you go, and don't procrastinate it, which is hard, but don't procrastinate it. Just get it done. It takes like literally 5 minutes, girl. Go. Sorry, the lighting is atrocious, but I'm back home for summer. If you like this kind of content, stick around, subscribe for new vlogs weekly, including stuff about the study abroad coming up. So, bye!